You will able to make $30 by merely using your smartphone to perform a few easy activities in less than a minute. In first attempt, you may earn $25. 10 times can earn you $250, and 100 times can win $2,500. There is no limit, and since it's entirely possible with these 3 websites that I'm about to show you in this video. They pay out the same day, super quickly, easily, and it's completely free and available all over the world. Before we go further to this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell, so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's get started. First and foremost, I want you to watch the entire video, because I will show you 3 different websites where you can make money online. Now if you combine all 3 of them, you'll be able to make the most money and create numerous streams of income at the same time. Before we get started, let me briefly go over some of the different payment options. How to really withdraw the money you've earned. You can make PayPal money, as you can see here. If you don't have a PayPal account, don't worry, you can withdraw your earnings directly into your bank account. They accept payments from almost every country in the world, and you can even withdraw your earnings in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. I'll teach you my own secret method for earning $25 over and over again by simply using a smartphone or computer. So, this is going to be the first website. And all you have to do is some simple small jobs, like watching videos, doing some simple surveys, going to certain websites, or sending some simple emails. And you can earn $3 to $5 by doing so. You can choose one of the jobs that you like, and I'll show you which one is the best to do. You can save a lot of time and spend probably 1 to 2 minutes doing it. picoworkers.com is the name of the first website. This is the first website where we can complete some simple tasks and earn some money. You can easily acquire some free money by simply signing up for an account and then searching for different jobs to complete. Now, based on my personal experience, liking and watching videos is the simplest way to make money on this website. And if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'll teach you one cool hack that can quickly multiply your earnings, and you can earn even more money. I'd like to show you one more strategy, which is the referral program. If you have a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Tumblr account, you may share them with others, including friends and strangers. And if they sign up and do the task, you can earn commissions for each job they complete. They perform the work for which you are paid, and the more referrals you receive over time, the more commissions you will make. And this will become your second source of passive income. But if you don't want to rely on commissions or referrals, you can always conduct the work yourself. You can do everything, including watching videos and like them, for $2, $1, or 50 cents. Which is wonderful, because you can do it in less than 30 seconds. In any case, you must perform the tasks on these websites in order for the company to pay you. You must present proof of your work to them. I'll show you step by step on how to do it, so you don't make any mistakes. A lot of individuals submitted incorrectly or don't submit anything at all, which is why they can't make any money on these services. But first, let's have a look at the second website where points can be earned. This is based on a points system, and once you have earned all of the points, you may exchange them for cash. If you gain 1000 points, you can earn $1, and I'll show you a secret method on how to make 500,000 points in a single day that no one else knows about. Now, another special tip for foreign users. All you have to do is download a free VPN that you can use on your computer or mobile device, so that when you go to a website like this, you can actually sign up. Because a lot of you guys are out there whose countries are being blocked. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. The name of this second website is Earnably. And it is really a legitimate website. However, if you're from one of the smaller countries out there, you will need to sign up for this website using VPN. You can earn money simply by viewing videos. All you have to do is click on one of these companies, go to their website, and watch the film from beginning to end without skipping anything. When you're on the phone, you can let it play in the background, and when you're on the computer, you can do other things while it plays. The best part is having many mobile devices, such as 2 or 3 phones at home, with your parents, family, and siblings. It's even better, because you may earn even more money. Remember to concentrate on watching and liking videos, and don't do anything else, because it will waste your time, and don't take surveys, because they will pay you very little money. So now, I'm going to show you the third website, StreetBees. They provide you with a pretty simple task to complete on this website. Every time you send a text message, you can make a lot of money. I had a brief look at this and found that, if you have a smartphone, you can log in, join up, and make a free account. This site is quite simple. They just want you to take a few basic images every day. Just simple things around you, like what are shoes you are wearing today, or things around you, like your garden, flowers. Just snap the photos within seconds, and then send it to them, and now you can get money. This is how you make profit from StreetBees. You get the software for free from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Simply choose one of the tasks, answer a question, and you will be paid in cash. When you click the Join Now button, you'll be taken to the App Store, or if you're using an Android phone, you may head to the Google Play Store, where they have a good rating. 4 stars, based on 70,000 reviews. You can see some instances. Like, simply download these apps, and spend about 2 or 5 minutes each day, finishing a story, sending a message, and earning $5. In addition, I'd like to mention that, they have a StreetBees ambassador program, which I'd want to discuss with you. You can join them, and get paid to help them expand in your nation, if you're from different nations across the world. Whichever country you're from, now is a good time to join this company. Since it's trending, and while it's still early, you can click on the Apply Now button, and join them from anywhere in the world. It is still relatively new, and there is no competition. Many people are completely unaware that these websites exists. If you want to join the StreetBees Ambassador Program, all you have to do is enter your name, email, fill out this form, and click the Apply Now button. And that's it. If you love similar content, take a look at my other videos. 2 of them are on your screen right now. Click them to learn new money-making methods. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video. Cheers.